like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, riding around hitting licks with a yeller. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Good morning, you guys. Happy New Year. This is going to be a quick get ready with our first day back to school since the Christmas holiday. So you guys was requesting a few videos with their outfits, how they pair some of their outfits they got for Christmas. So that's what this video is for. If you haven't seen that what they got for Christmas 2019 video, it will be linked down below in the description box. There's also a giveaway in that video for $500. 5 people win, so definitely go check that video out once you guys finish watching this video. It will be the first link in the description. So I'll run down her outfit real quickly for you guys. This cream looking sweater is actually a crop top sweater. You guys can see right here, you guys will see when she put it on, it's actually a crop top sweater. I got this from Marshall's. A lot of you guys was asking me where I got their clothes from when me and my husband went shopping. So, like I said, this video is for you guys. She's going to pair it with some earrings and this gold necklace. These two gold necklaces, I mean. These two gold necklaces came from Shein. If you guys haven't seen, I think she did a get ready with her. I think she wore these in that video. You guys can check the description down below. She picked up these earrings locally. I can't remember where she got them from, but that's her jewelry of the day. The jeans that she's wearing are some high-rise ankle jeans. I actually got these from Burlington. They look just like this. Like I said, they're high-rise because anytime she wear a crop top shirt or sweater, she has to wear high-rise jeans because her school does not allow your stomach out and stuff like that. So this is how the jeans look. And I love the bottom of these jeans. This is how the bottom of the jeans look, like that. Because she likes to wear jeans like this at the bottom where the ankle is kind of cut off and it's kind of ripped at the bottom. So this is her outfit. Of course, she's going to wear her bag. And these are her accessories. You guys know she got the iPhone 11 for Christmas. And the Louis Vuitton AirPod case. And then the shoes that she's going to wear, she got these for Christmas as well. These are the Uggs that she got right here. You guys can see. I'll be really cute with that. Like that. As you guys can see. So this is how this outfit of the day is going to look. First day going back. They've been out of school for 2 weeks. So I'll show you guys how she looks when she puts it on.
Hey guys, good morning. Okay, so y'all know the routine. Her edges, she already did them, but you already know. The OG got to be glue, baby, period. Nice little edge control, swoop them things. I'm gonna take them off. I'm gonna take my little headband. If you do your edges before, have something on it so they can stay. Ooh. Look at these edges. Yeah. I should have put my new piercing in, but my edges are pretty. And then she got a little swoop, 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 swoop. So period, do the edges. And then she got her long braids. Some things to my calves, baby. Period. Now, we're gonna do my mascara. I can't find my eyelash curler, but we're still gonna do the lashes. So, I'm still using my Jackie and Lauren Cosmetics mascara. I'm using the lengthening mascara, not the voluminizer, but the lengthening one. It came with 2, but I'm using this one. So I'm gonna put this on my eyelashes, just a little bit. I don't put too much on. And y'all know I don't wear makeup, but I'll wear some little mascara. Just show my lashes off. I'll put that on. And Now I gotta pop my lip gloss on. Who else makes that funny face when you put lashes on? When you put on like mascara on? Ooh, pretty. Not too much, but keep them cute, simple, classy. So, we got the lashes. Now we're gonna put my lip gloss on. I can put that on at the end, but I'm just putting my jewelry on. My hoops, I forgot what store I got these from. I got them a few weeks ago. Ooh, here we go. Now put my necklaces on. I got those from Shein. Me and my mom bought so many necklaces from Shein, y'all. They got some good jewelry. I'll put this one on first. I like to layer my necklaces, so I'll put this one on first. I'll put this one on like hot, like that. And then my little tiger. Yes, ma'am. That's my favorite animal, period. And we're gonna put that one lower. So they can be layered. Okay, honey, period. Okay, so then we're gonna pop that lip gloss on. Oh, I just got my eyebrows done too. So, eyebrows looking good. And she's ready to step. She's ready to do her thing. I feel like I should put a watch on. Should I put a watch on?
Let me see. Yeah.
I should. Okay, guys. OOTD, she's doing the thing. I don't know who she is, but she walks in the building, you know. Okay, y'all. We popped the baddie on. Period. Cute. Ooh, she iced down. Okay, so don't forget to smell goods, y'all. I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. So, I got these for Christmas. Link will be in the bio. But anyway, this one is the Bombshell Holiday. I don't know which one I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna have to smell it. I need to. My body is stuff here. Okay. Make sure y'all smelling good. I don't know which one I'm wearing. These things in here tight.
I think that's the one you really like, that one.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this. I forgot how to smell. I think I'm gonna wear it. Don't forget the lotion. Don't be ashy out here in the streets, baby, okay? But yeah, I think this is the one I wanted to wear. Oh yeah, this is the one. Okay. Not too much on the neck. Rub it down.
What's the name of it? Tell them the name of it.
This is Bombshell Holiday by Victoria's Secret. You know they got some good perfume. So, yes, we're gonna put that on. It's a cute little bottle. Where's the top? I had got more. I didn't know which one I wanted to do, but I'm gonna do this. Cute, and then the lotion. Make sure you get that lotion on your hands. Not too much. Just enough to put in the creases, arms, your nails. Make sure they glistening, baby. Let's look at these. They growed a little, but these was my Christmas nails. Yes, ma'am. Look at the snowflakes. Look at the little marble with the glitter. It's not green. I don't know if it looked green on there, but it look. Sometimes it be looking pink. It just depends on the light. But yes, ma'am. Got her wrist. This is my outfit. So cute. I like this outfit. It's very cute, very comfy, classy. The sweater is very comfy. It's not too thick, but it's not too thin. It's like real comfy for that like feel good weather where it's not too cold, but it's not hot either. So, and then I like my jeans, Burlington. Y'all shop at Burlington for them jeans, baby. These are very comfortable. I wanted to wear these because at the bottom, I love the jeans that's like they cut at the bottom and they have the little design. And I thought that would go great with my Uggs. And I love my Uggs. They have full fur on the inside, that fluffy, thick fur. And I like these because they say Ugg all around them, UGG. And they're cute, and they like the ankle ones. They don't go all the way up. So yes, ma'am. I like how my braids look with this outfit too. My jewelry, shop at Shein for the necklaces. Louis V, you know. Period. So that's the outfit for me. Cute. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on social medias will be down below. Speaking of social medias, y'all know I got my social medias, but they private. I be focused on school and work. I don't be on YouTube like that, but I'll pop in every now and then when I'm free. So be on the lookout for those videos. But make sure y'all follow Mama on her Instagram or Snapchat. That'll be in the description down below. Sorry about my teeth. My retainers are in right now. I keep them in 24/7. But yes, make sure you go check out that Christmas video. That will also be in the link down below. Go check out the giveaway. And until next time, you guys, bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.